I have a 97 to 4543 Honeywell thermostat that was reading low battery. I replaced them, and as I was reprogramming the time, the display went awry and now it won't turn on at all. Is there a solution to this? I've tried putting the batteries in backwards and then reversing, etc. Thanks.
Hello, my name is XXXXXX I will do my best to help you today. That doesn't seem to be a working model number for a Honeywell thermostat. Are you sure there isn't another model number somewhere on it? In my experiences though, anytime the digital display of a thermostat goes out, even with new batteries put in it, the display has simply gone bad and there is no repairing it other than replacing the thermostat. Is this your thermostat? http://www.gogazelle.com/gazelleonline/support/honeywell CT3300_CT3355.pdf.
Okay, it looks like that's the case to us, that we will just need to replace the thermostat. We're considering a Nest or another Honeywell Wi-Fi version. If we're going to install ourselves, any recommendations?
I really like the Nest. Especially if you have a fairly constant routine throughout the house. Meaning you go to work, you come home, you go to certain rooms during the day around the same time, have scheduled events every week such as church, tennis or golf every weekend, ect. The Nest will learn your routine and adjust automatically for you.
Yes, this is the model. Okay, is it easy to install, or do you think we're likely to need to call someone to install?
Yeah, this is the Chromathrone series of thermostats Honeywell used to make. They are known to do this. Chances are your battery terminals are corroded and has fried the display.
Okay, makes sense. Thank you for your help. We'll get the Nest. Is there a particular model you recommend?
If you hire someone to install it, they will be able to show you all the intricate details of the thermostat and some of the benefits of it. It can be like reading a manual for a space shuttle if you don't know what you're looking at. As far as hooking it up, it's not bad. It's setting it up for optimal performance that some experience is needed.
Okay. We'll see how ambitious my husband feels about tackling that. What's a typical installation cost?
If you go and buy the thermostat yourself, a licensed HVAC service company will install it for a service call, which is generally around $85.
Okay. Thank you and Happy New Year.
If you go with a standard programmable thermostat, look at the Honeywell RTH 6000.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.